Hello, hi friends, welcome to sushmafeedfantasy. Today I am preparing pizza, so let's start. If you are new in my channel, please do subscribe my channel, like, share, comment. So let's start the process. Take half cup warm water. Take yeast, 1.5 tablespoon. Add 1.5 tablespoon sugar. Mix it nicely and close the lid. Close the lid for 5 minutes. 5 minutes, yeast is activated. Now add olive oil. Then add half tablespoon salt. Add 1 cup plain flour. Then cover the lid for 40 minutes. Lucky is helping today, so he's cutting vegetables. Mushrooms and red bell pepper and capsicum. And onions. The vegetable is ready, so let's see the dough is raised, fermentation is done. So we're gonna cut it in 4 pieces. I'm preparing small pizza. Dust the flour little bit and roll it. Not too thick, not too thin. That's all. Take a fork and poke it. Then I'm gonna add pizza sauce. Now spread the sauce. If you want more cheese in your pizza, so you need to add first mozzarella cheese, then you add vegetables. So I don't want extra cheese, so that's why I'm adding first vegetables, then I'm gonna add mozzarella cheese. After topping, I'm adding cheese. So again I'm adding extra vegetables, mushrooms. So then I'm gonna add chili flakes, then basil leaf, then oregano leaves. Then keep it in microwave for 20 minutes. You need to preheat the oven first. Then pizza is ready. Add your favorite mayonnaise and any other sauce, then enjoy your pizza. Please do like my video and share with your family and friends, and subscribe my channel. It's so delicious. Please try at home and see you in next video. Until then, bye.